Hello, you're welcome to this video. Shortly on this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy any course on VTUCampCode step by step with no skip in the process. So you are now a registered user on VTUCampCode, but right now you want to buy a course. Okay, that course like training. It can be V2 development training or any other training that is on the marketplace. So how do you get started? Firstly, what you need to do is to browse through the categories of what you want to buy. Like we have the UI and X and category, we have the graphic design, web development, and several other categories. But if you also come down, you see the most trending courses. You also see, at the moment, you can see the course that is here. But then, depending on the time you're watching, this must have changed or more other courses must have been added. But here I'm just like trying to teach you how you can purchase courses. It's very simple. Firstly, you need to log into your account. You must have already logged into your account. As in, you already created account. Creation of account is totally free on the platform. All you have to do is to either use the link that was given to you by somebody, or better still, just sign up on your own. So you must have seen that here. You see that everything here is the enroll courses is 0, then the active course. What is enroll course? Enroll course has to do with the course that you have purchased. The active courses is also 0. Completed courses is 0. So now I want to make a purchase of course. Okay, so what we need to do is to go to home page. Once we are on the home page, we browse the category here. You can use this call to action section here, this place, to browse a particular sections you want to browse. Like for instance, I want to go to the V2 web development course category. So I'll click on that. That take me to the V2 web development category sections. Okay, or I can also click on courses. You can see courses here. So you can also see every courses that is available on the system. So you can also search by clicking each of these categories, depending on what you want to purchase. The system will mirror down the search for you. But I want to just make a purchase of V2 web development courses. That's what I want to purchase. So I will go back to home page. I will click on this V2 web development courses. Once I'm there, I will locate the particular course I want to purchase depending on my budget. Like we have the V2 Advanced Coaching, which is 750,000. Then we have the V2 Full Coaching Program, which is 150,000. Then V2 Basic Coaching Program, which is 30K. Then we have the V2 Starter Program, which is 5,000 at the moment of recording this video. So the time you're watching, it may change because this is just the launch price. Okay. Now, for you to know what is included in each one is that you have to click on each of the courses. Okay, just like you just have to click on this, the title. Okay, so it's very simple. So I have to click on it. For instance, I want to click on V2 Basic Coaching Program. I want to see what is inside and see how everything really before I consider either to buy it or not. So you can see here, the course level is intermediate. Intermediate means that you needed a little bit of expertise to be able to, successfully go through this course. Okay, so you can see the total hours that you'll be spending on this course is what? 6 hours 45 minutes. Then the total video that is included, the video training is 14 videos that is on this. Okay, so the next thing that you need to understand is this is the button, as in the banner that bears the course. Okay, so if you also go down, you see the content of the course. Okay, so the first one here is the course content, business account opening. You see what is there as the subsections on that particular course module. You can see now how many things that is included there. You see it. So if you also want to go for the other ones, you can easily click on the second phase, okay, which is video web development class. You can see it, you can see everything that is here. Then you can also click on video front end development to see everything that is going to be given to you access instantly once you make the purchase. You can also see here, so you can see everything that is included here. Then if you also go down at the left hand, depending on what you're using to view this video, okay, so if you go to the left, you see what is included in the course you have to purchase. Okay, so you can see text, video, PDF, VTU, web development 2. This is what is included on this particular course. So, and if you go here, you see other related courses. I'm going to use one to compare before we now make the purchase. So you can see here is 30K framework. So going to come back here. Well, let me use another one to compare. Okay, like for instance, this is the V2 full coaching program. I'll click, which is 150. So I'm going to 150K. You can see it here that here we have 16 videos and is also intermediary. Okay, you can see it. And then here you will see it's 10 hours. Okay, the other one is 6 hours. You can see it's 10 hours here. You can see other things that is included here. Okay, so you can see, so it's a little bit different. So you see, go through each of the modules to understand what differentiates each courses. And if you also come here, you can see here that apart from the V2 web development to which the other one stops, you see that here you get your free domain registration here, free hosting, and free done for you V2 portal. So definitely VTUCampCode team will help to build a V2 website for you and also give you access to the training and register a hosting account for you, .com domain for you, and a lot of other extensive trainings that is different from the first previous one I showed you. So these are differences, what differentiate each of the course modules on VTUCampCode training as regard to V2 technology. Okay, so I haven't established that fact, so you can also go through other thing. Even the first one, which is the starter package, you can also go through it to understand the what is included for you when you make the purchase. You can see here is just 5 videos that is included and it's beginner friendly, and the total hour is 2 hours. The cost amount is 5,000. You can see it. So you can see what is included: text, video, and PDF. So that is what is included. So you can see it is a little bit few, but you can start with here to understand the fundamental level of the training before you now proceed to either buy the basic or advanced or full package. So this is like a trial package where you can actually go through to understand whether these people, are they saying true or not. So get through this course and of course get started right away. But I want to make a purchase of the basic plan. So I'll click on this V2 basic coaching program. I'll click on it. And then here, what I need to do, either I add it to carts or click on buy. So anyone, so if I click on add to carts or even buy, anyone will give you what we're about to do now. So it's very simple. So I've added it to carts, so I will view the carts. They are the same thing. You can either click by view add to carts or click on buy. So I'm still going to repeat myself again. So I'm going to use buy option. Okay, when you click on buy option, it takes you to the checkout directly. Okay, so it's a little bit different from clicking add to cart. So I'm going to click back to the V2 basic. So I'm going to click this. So when I click on this, it takes me here. So I'm going to click on buy now. So I'm going to click this option, buy now. So when I click this option, you can see take me directly to the checkout page. All I have to do to get started buying this course is to fill up my name, my full name, okay, the street where you are. So I live in Lagos now, so I'm going to put this. Then the phone number is the phone number, you put it there. So these are just the few information that is needed. Then bank account is what is accepted right now, but make sure you make use of email address that is real. Okay, don't make use of fake one, because that is a place where the system will give you an invoice where you have to make payment. So once I click on purchase now, you'll be able to see I already have my email. I already logged in into my email, Gmail. So I reloaded this so that you're able to see that nothing is here from VTUCampCode yet. But once I click on purchase now, you're going to see what will happen. So let me go back and I'll click on purchase now. Click on purchase now. Then I'll allow the system to load up. Okay, it says we have sent an email to notify you of this payment information. You can check your order status by clicking this button. So purchase history. So I'll click on purchase history. So you can see here, this is my purchase here, and it is on hold. Why is it on hold? Because it has to be confirmed. The payment has to be confirmed. So you can see it is on hold here. Then if I go to my email, if I go to my email, I will reload this, then I will see, you can see here, VTUCampCode. Can you see it? You can see the email that is here now is from VTUCampCode, okay? So you can see it. So I'm going to click on this email. So you can see in our VTUCampCode order has been received. Thank you for your order. Hi, Onuyema. Thank you for your order. It is on hold until we confirm that payment has been received. In the meantime, here is a reminder of what you order. So you can see it. Now, this is the bank you need to make payments to. So you can see it here. This is the account. The account is Zenith Bank. Bank is Zenith Bank. I mean to say the account number is here. So you have to make a transfer into this account. Okay, so you just make a transfer. Use a mobile app to make a transfer. Once you make the transfer, then the system will automatically confirm your payment. Okay, but when you're making a transfer, please make sure you use your order number as depositor's name, okay, or your username on the platform. Okay, I recommend you make use of your username, and once you make your payment, you can always DM admin and contact support 081 36 36 7446. Make sure you contact support so that you'll be able to uh, facilitate your payment. But payment is always confirmed automatically. Once any payment is made, it's confirmed automatically. So I'm gonna pause this video and make a transfer and then get back to you once we are. If you look at their dashboard again, you can see. If I look at my dashboard now, you will see that my road cost is T0. Everything is T0. So, but I'm gonna make a transfer now and continue the recording of this video. Please stay with me. Okay, so I made a transfer and my cost has been confirmed. As you can see here, I can see my road cost is 1. But let me go through the email. I'm gonna go through my email to see if I also receive a message, because anytime you make a purchase, you receive a message once your course has been approved. So you can see it here. VTUCampCode, your order is now complete. You can see it here. So thanks for shopping with us. You can see it. So this course has been approved, basic V2 basic coaching program. So if I still go back, you see it, everything is confirmed here. So if I go to my enroll courses has to do with the course that you have enrolled. So you're able to see it is now active. So you can see it's 1. So how do you start learning? It's very simple. All you have to do is to click on start learning. Okay, start learning. So So you can see here, once you click on start learning, you'll be able to see here that you will be presented with the first lesson. So you can see it now. You can see about this lesson, corporate account help you to run any business effectively. It is B. So that's the first lesson here. So you can see the whole the lessons that is here for you. So anyone you finish, please click on mark as complete. Okay. So each one you finish, you make sure that you come up here and click on mark as complete. So for instance, if I'm done with here, I'll click on mark as complete. Marking it as complete will show the system that you have already completed that particular lesson. So you can see the progress so far. You can see my progress is it there. You can see the progress is right here, 1 of 14%, which is 7%. So once you mark each one as complete, the system will take you to the next phase. So this is the next phase for the second training, which is opening the corporate account. As in like having your own account, you can go through it. You can see this is a video. So all you have to do is to click on play like now, and then the video will start playing. Okay, so once you click, it will start playing. So let's just see. So you can see the. So I don't want to play that video. So this is my. So, but if I'm done with this, I will still go to mark as complete. Okay, then you can pick the next one, which is here, V2 web development. Okay, once you are done with the one that you can easily go to scroll down and choose next. Okay, next button, you can see it here. So you can go to previous, you can go to next. Whichever one you want to do is at your core. Okay, so you can click on next if you are done with each particular section. So you can see here, this one is the course introduction is here, everything is here. So all you have to do is to click on next. Okay, so just click on next. You'll be taken to the next phase of the course. And then this is probably video. So you can see video training. You can now go through the video. Okay, so allow the system to load. Then you can use your mobile phone to go through the training. Okay, while you use the system to be able to see what is happening. So you can see the training here. Okay, so you go through the training. Once you are done with that, you click on next. You can click on mark as complete to be able to make sure that the system is recording that you have completed the lesson. So that's the essence of marking the class complete. So that it can be recorded for you that you have now completed, your progress has been recorded. So this is the next training. Why I'm going through this so that you know that these trainings are okay. So for instance, if I click here, you'll be able to see the training will start coming up. Okay, so you start seeing the video will start playing, and you can go through it over and over again. So you can see everything. Okay, so everything is there. You can see the lessons, the what you are going to be learning at each lessons is going to also be stated, okay, for you, so that you be aware of what you are going to learn. So once you are done, you click on next, then go through it. You can also go through previous. Previous means to go back to the ones that you think you have skipped, and that is just it. Okay, and once you are done, or maybe you are done for the day to go through the trainings, you can click on this X here, this little X here. Just click on it, click on it to exist the lesson. So I'm gonna click on it. It will exist the interface for my training for me, and then go back to the course. You can see. So once you are here, then you can see the progress. Okay, you can see the progress. You can see it here now. This is my course progress. You can see it here. Everything is once anything you are doing, as much as you're clicking complete, the system is very, very transparent, and that can give you confidence of learning in the platform. So if you also go to your dashboard, that is on your account area, you'll be able to see how the progress looks like. So you can see here that if you go to enroll courses, if you go to enroll courses, you can see that the progress is also written here. So that is just how it is on how to make purchases on VTUCampCode. So get started right away. Buy any of the courses and go through it, either the V2 training, web development training, or any other courses that is there, both YouTube mastering courses, self-funded development, web development. There's so many courses that is being sold on the platform. So go through it and get started. And the good thing about the platform is that you can start with as little as 5,000 naira to purchase a course and get started. Okay, go through the first training, and if you enjoy what you are learning from the system, you can then upgrade to different packages or different course that will give you a better understanding of what you want to achieve to learn. Remember, our target here is for you to make not less than 500,000 every month on the system. So get started right away by going buying any of the courses. Contact admin if you are not clear in any way.